Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We are here with a tutorial on the strategy section in the OlympTrade broker. If you haven't had suitable starting points for entering various trades until now, watch this video to the end. Well, to enter the strategy section, you need to click on the market option in the left panel and enter the strategy section from there. Once you enter this section, you will see various strategies. In the OlympTrade broker, these strategies need to be purchased from the market. You can see the name of each strategy and the amount you need to pay monthly for it. By clicking on the name of each strategy, more details about it will be shown to you. In this section, it is mentioned on which trades you can use this strategy, and in the next part, the platforms where you can use this indicator are displayed. Additionally, in the description section, you will see brief explanations about this strategy, and by clicking on this video, you can watch a summary tutorial video on how to use this strategy on YouTube. Please note that the strategies available on the OlympTrade website are intended as assistance and advice for conducting your analyses. Trading in financial markets carries a high level of risk, and make sure that before you start trading, you have sufficient knowledge and experience in these markets. If you intend to purchase this strategy, click on the Buy Subscription option. And if you want to try this strategy for free, click on this option. On the next page, select the account for depositing the amount and click on the Active option. This strategy has been successfully activated for you, and you can use it for 48 hours. To use this strategy in your demo or real account, you can go to the Strategy section. After selecting the purchase strategy, click on the View option and choose Enable Strategy. The desired strategy has been activated for your chart. And you can watch the video explanations of this strategy to see which time frame and period are best for executing trades. This was the tutorial on using different strategies in the OlympTrade broker. For more tutorials, stay with us. Goodbye.